Hi friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen today, and I have a very special recipe for you guys, and that's a Portuguese feijoada recipe prepared with Goan sausages. So let's begin with the recipe. So for this recipe I've got 1 cup red kidney beans, light red kidney beans. So I'm gonna soak these overnight. Okay, so I will soak the kidney beans overnight, and then we'll begin with our recipe. Okay, so friends, our beans have been soaked overnight. Now here I will rinse the water, and then we'll be cooking the beans in the pressure cooker. I'm adding the beans in the pressure cooker, adding 1 cup water, and then add salt for taste. This would be enough. And now I will cook the beans covered and pressure cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now for the feijoada recipe, I've got 1 big onion, 1 medium tomato, and 1 big chili. And according, you can adjust the chili. If you need some less spicy, then you can add half of the chili. And then I have 3 curry leaves and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon recheado masala. So this is what I require for this recipe. So friends, feijoada recipe comes from the Portuguese cuisine, and I'm using the homemade chorizo, that 10 pork sausages. So I'll have to cut open the skin and we'll be back with you. So it's been 10 minutes and 3 whistles. So I'll switch off the heat and we'll wait for another 2 minutes. Okay, so friends, you can see our kidney beans are cooked well for 10 minutes and for 3 whistles. And so now let's begin with the feijoada recipe. First place, I've kept a pan and let it heat for a while. Pan is nice and hot. I will add little oil, sufficient oil that will fry the onions. It's like 1 tablespoon. Oil is nice and hot. I will lower heat on medium and add the curry leaves, curry patta we say, and just stir fry for a few seconds. So I'm frying all the ingredients on medium heat. It's a good aroma of the curry leaves here. So now in few seconds I'm gonna add the onion, and I will fry the onion on medium heat until it's nice and soft. So for this I will cover and fry the onion covered so that you get the soft texture of the onion. And so we'll wait for 1 minute or 2. Okay, now in 2 minutes, wow, yes, onion is nice and soft. I will add 1 tomato and the green chili, and I'll do the same. Mix well, and then cover and let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. As you know, I need the tomato and onion very soft for this recipe, so we'll wait till then. Okay, it's been 4 minutes now, and yes, onion and tomato is nice and soft, and so at this point I will add little tomato puree. Okay, mix well, and now I will add the ginger garlic paste. Give this a good stir. Next, I'm gonna add the recheado masala. Give this a good stir. After stirring well, I will add the homemade chorizo, that is pork sausages, in here. Now give this a good mix. Okay, now at this point I'm gonna add little water so that the sausages get cooked well, and then cover and cook for at least 3 minutes. Okay, I'll check on the sausages if they're cooked well. Sausages are cooked well, and now at this point I will add the kidney beans along with the stock, so nothing is wasted, and so the kidney beans will go in here. Increase the heat on medium again. Mix well. So after mixing well, I will cover once again and cook for 10 minutes, and then I will be back with you. Okay, so friends, it's time. 10 minutes, and our FEIJOADA is now ready, but I will check on the salt, sugar and vinegar. So I will check on this. Wow, really perfect. There's nothing more to add in here. I will switch off the heat and will garnish with some coriander, cilantro, and we're done. So our special Portuguese recipe is ready. We'll serve hot. And friends, I want to show you the gravy. Ooh. So it's nice and thick. So friends, our special Portuguese FEIJOADA recipe is now ready, and it's come out really awesome and mouth-watering, I'll tell you. So I'm gonna attack, and you guys go ahead and please hit the red button below, and please like, share, and do not forget to try this recipe. Thanks for watching.